Hello everyone, welcome back to Nuer TV channel. Today we talk about a very important story. It is about South Sudan, President Salva Kiir Mayardit, Uganda, President and Dr. Riek Machar. It is also about why Dr. Riek Machar has been kept under house arrest for more than 5 months, from March 26 until today. We ask, why do they hate Dr. Riek Machar so much? And who is Dr. Riek Machar? Dr. Riek Machar is the first Vice President of South Sudan. He is also the leader of the SPLM-IO, the main opposition group. For many Nuer people, Dr. Riek Machar is a symbol of hope. But for the government of Kiir Mayardit, Dr. Riek Machar is a threat to their power. Dr. Riek Machar has fought for peace many times, but every time the government finds a way to block him. Why did Dr. Riek Machar still under house arrest? On March 26, 2025, Dr. Riek Machar was put under house arrest. House arrest means he is locked inside his house and cannot move freely. He cannot travel. Riek Machar cannot meet his supporter. He cannot even speak publicly as before. The question is, why? They say it is because of clash between the Nuer army militias and Kiir soldiers, but this is not true. They say it is because of clash between the Nuer army militias and Kiir soldiers. Dr. Riek Machar himself was not in the fighting. He did not order the Y army to fight. It was a local clash, a civilian militia issue, and government soldier also took place. So why blame Dr. Riek Machar? The role of President Salva Kiir Mayardit. President Salva Kiir Mayardit has ruled South Sudan since independence in 2011, but his government has failed to bring peace. He is afraid of Dr. Riek Machar because Dr. Riek Machar is a strong leader, respected by the Nuer community and also by other South Sudanese who want change. By keeping Dr. Riek Machar in house arrest, Kiir tried to silence the opposition. Kiir wants to weaken the Nuer people by cutting off their leader. This is a clear political strategy. We must also talk about Uganda president. From the beginning of the South Sudan war in 2013, Uganda supported Kiir government. Uganda soldiers entered South Sudan to fight against the opposition, against the Nuer people. They bombed Nuer areas. They killed many civilians. Uganda president keeps supporting Kiir because of interests, political, economic, and military. Uganda wants South Sudan to remain weak and dependent. And Uganda sees Dr. Riek Machar as someone who can bring real independence to South Sudan. That is why Uganda supports Kiir Mayardit in keeping Machar under house arrest. Why do they hate Dr. Riek Machar? Dr. Riek Machar speaks for Nuer people. There are many reasons. They fear his voice because Dr. Riek Machar demands reform. Dr. Riek Machar asks for real democracy, not dictatorship. Dr. Riek Machar is popular. Many South Sudanese believe in him, not in Salva Kiir Mayardit. Dr. Riek Machar is a symbol of resistance. When people see Dr. Riek Machar, they think of freedom from Kiir rule. This is why both Kiir and Uganda president hate him. It is not about crime. It is not about war. It is about fear of losing power. The clash that happened were between the Nuer army and Kiir forces. Right? These were local fight. Civilians were caught in the middle. The government used these clashes as an excuse. They say, look, Machar people are fighting. But the truth is, Machar did not order them. The Y army are local youths protecting themselves, so blaming Dr. Machar is wrong. It is a way to punish him unfairly. For over 5 months now, Dr. Machar has been trapped. His voice is silent. His people are left without leadership. Peace talks are also frozen, and South Sudan is suffering. Civil servants are not paid. Banks have no money. Communities face anger and displacement. But instead of solving this problem, Kiir and his allies focus on silencing Machar. This shows where their priorities are power, not people. So, the question that we must ask, why keep Machar locked up for something he did not do? Why punishing one man for clash between soldiers and youth militias? Why silence the leader of millions of South Sudanese? Why allow Uganda to decide South Sudan politics? These are the questions the people of South Sudan and the world must demand answer for. Nuer people must remember, your leader is under our arrest, not because he is guilty, but because he is feared. They fear Dr. Riek Machar's voice. They fear Dr. Riek Machar's leadership. They fear Dr. Riek Machar's vision for South Sudan. But this story teaches us something different. Leader can be silenced, but ideas cannot be killed. Dr. Riek Machar represents an idea, the idea of justice, equality, and peace for South Sudan. As of today, from March 26 until now, Dr. Machar has been under our arrest for more than 5 months. This is unjust. It is a political oppression. It is a plan by Kiir and Uganda president to remove a strong voice for peace. The world must see this truth. The people must speak out. South Sudan cannot fight peace while its leaders are silenced. Dr. Machar's house arrest is not only his problem, it is the problem of every Nuer, every South Sudanese who believe in freedom. And until justice is done, the struggle continues. Kakorgwan Mubar, Chana Ngajino, self-became a Yadit, President dung South Sudan, Ken President dung Uganda, Yoweri Museveni, Sika Rodian Mat, Naka 2013, Gwade Chukormecha Tuokaja, Chukana Gorno, Biken, Dr. Machar, Biken a Yan, Ki, Bikan Goro, Dekan and a Kozmeko, and Major 2013 Nature Talk, Chuaring Machar, Chuade Yanakan. Chukomish and Machana and Majaneka Gwade Dan. Major Kodan to talk, Chikir Mayadit, no charge a look, a Museveni, And Museveni look at and look look at Kim Yadit, Bana Ngajano, look at the co take a benefit major week South Sudan, Chage look Laura Bang. A jolat corner may right con Kaquidian can quadang joke. Dr. Machar, Selpakir can would shalkame Museveni. A question on a woman near Kirmayadi can Museveni near can Dr. Machar Kajamo. A 1 year can a long no. Nay kondiale anone Riek Machar Jen first by President Riek South Sudan medane chai independent me charge JK 2011 a quermedit me charge bo ke korcha butola civil war try spela yo charge ben chak mela menya position group men banga chelongana Riek Machar Jen chere ke symbol kanwere Dundoka Kim Yadit wajen a threat Kia Ramadwal Ken Kaje Katin Kondong Dalat Banadil Majino Riek Machar Chukum Ditaja Terrawal Kuramo Kakuro Malkan wo Bisos Dan Beteka Malki Basos Dan Bajajek Ano Bikir Yadit bear power Beje use a low Jack Dr. Machar Jako Bebet Awana Mo Chichuang a man with monododian Miss Amal Chajalat Achi Dr. Machar Chamal Chajalat, Kichanok, became Yadi Broad of Mukamudodian, Nubel Ladba, and a Manakarwade, Amandan, and Guru Bokulitika Power Kaje, Quadilla look, acquire Uganda and Museveni. So much it can a Jaga, Yamaga, called Wakajakum, Wakajaka Kurko by the man ka power. Jan Dobadan Latke, a Museveni. Dr. Machar yende mentega jere ti jen ta mo ne dial lokaje ko jen aramimo mula peacemaker ne do bi dan cha yen ga je ke 26 March ki chanyen dang bakkel ka pay dok won kin dang ro jen dang ro di diech me cha je yen do la gwa dan tetin jen che jel teram jeke pel gwa witin tenere duare gwa dan cha yenten che jel che jeke ne ko la support reke ke che kane gatin kon kwa support re wike so Sudan kelio kuna rodi na tije no ngumutuok no makaje cha jege no Kiir Mayadit me yene Dr. Machar ojen lada jen Riek Machar ichika mat kenne ti konti la Nuer wai hami kore dana chi tuok Nasser jen do dana yan ke Dr. Machar yan ga ko wajen jawda mat iken Nuer wai hami so ji Kiir Mayadit choro shunyo ko madaro kene kwer Uganda no shukane should decide kandangro and Riek Machar baje yen ka baje lock away kangai ke je gwano Riek Machar tele kor mi ter kan ore kor ne re ko na tiga dwer kum SPDF ko kan ji SPDF fanken kan ne kontin kwan wer ko ala kapkor ko mi no kan mala ngum lel kan more win mi ngai kan o cha gorten to kore dana ci tuok me shi korte tuok ka cha de ne SPDF cha ka joch ana shukan widien chu nyok murit kan Dr. Machar den do be dana yan ka je kana mo cha jigbono Dr. Machar cha de bel ka mi shoda lat gwami mo ci ponin kan de ne kan de konen ci kula wal ka je woch de yen Dr. Machar de cha jiga no Riek Machar do be dana yan ka je yan ga je ko jen aramkel milan Nuer kano ke 2013 me dan cha je backup de ni tin kola de ni Nuer wayami so jen do be dana yan ka je na me yan ka je she chajien kama shwala no politic na me ethnic targeting ka do be dana la je ka je and simple came yadi ngum la lade right now mala lade ngu ere misit kana maka kangai kono no simple came yadi choroi karundu chop katumman atuga 2005 abinaga 2011 me by independent body jek abinaga jan 2025 me kirmu der ti karuni jandang rawon tama kirun to de ko la no run to karun to tot ka do bana gui kona je but karun to wan ko ramimo mi chitir dawich ana cheroi katele development mi no rai wich goje ne mana gurun to tot gui kana no de Kiir dare jan but Kiir jan do gwade me jen tin ko jen chakurap so le rekan dial chika to go ka chika na de nang nyam so na me rekel mugor gech kide guja gwa ka do badan en take Kiir Mayadit take je so Kiir Mayadit men lade chagor bi malbeben jen do la ke Dr. Machar jen mi yene Dr. Machar ka je ko leti diala ko ne lade mi she do la tok dio je che election che jago bajalat but ken election ken jago bajalat ko di ko dole is afraid of Dr. Machar because Machar is a strong leader respected by the Nuer and the whole South Sudanese community. So do bran and gang Riek Machar rate jen keje wojen dwala keriak. Gor jen wodere jore jongok ti jode chaje de ling so na makarwade sie chuong emijiek kamishit kana mane gor jen wo de Kiir der nyo gitin nyok ko jen mulugo am la leader ko general je kin no kaje neka wana mo shimugwa so chan ngoro igwaseme angum nang yi Uganda ten ko ji Uganda atema akane de continue participate ko bi Riek Machar bi kana yen chirme chana ngani wal yen Dr. Machar ngum yen kaje aken medan chana ngaje no kiralo dinga chabenka South Sudan chade jagala envoy adunga Africa Union meje chubra yuka juba chwa jogo no jin mugor jeno bi jegina Dr. Machar bu kono ni Uganda bu jeke Museveni kwa lela kono tini Museveni ko de randa de jeke Riek Machar jeno kwa lugu jeno ka dong kubu Kiir Mayadit gula rwach Museveni Kiir chetel chap ajem ne yana linga no point Kiir point ne kono juru ndi Uganda de kelte ni ke kudangro dollar ka chankel karwade so nugu yena kwa pene ji Uganda rami mo mila kwer mdini jen okay a kwer mitaka wede lelo pene ko kien ko baje kulenok ngum nyode ma nyode jen o Kiir che fel kungu che pel ga manana lede so man nang ji Uganda tinjane ji Uganda gorken kwa ga jen menen yene nakan wer karen yale nakan innocent people so Uganda president gorken yo dundian a political interest in economic and military goro de kan South Sudan de kan kuma laken de kan port ke military mani economic de alarin Machar chemi chira mo che gor lugo jano de South Sudan de nyinga de cham do bang it ko tam ngai kon dialen kon dial kwa ka leli wa ga no wujo dien wa ki import dor dien wa ka no Uganda so economic din Uganda South Sudan ku jele stabilize kuka kwak nen koni la kwak South Sudanese kuka na nangrar bigana kulo chamre we dien jen nen yan tama economic dum which South Sudan to collapse koni diti chare ala ka lo cham kanu which we dan en la which South Sudan ajana down ticketing tel medo diem milala dien so ke the reason ko bu we betega mal and kum Uganda there or deal watch kat diality ko bi malbeben ko Canadian content kwa problem rig diality ore wike South Sudan kwa kale fail ke jakane ko bika ngwan twago je lo easy na mena millet kirmi yadi de kala rejakatet la rejakatet ko gor jen wo bi South Sudan bikan median bikan jekake so jalala lat karam mi dictator te ja gor no tini ko kende de do de jek la gor no ti dial bo control jen so che South Sudan te yar mi de South Sudan ka kwanti jek ka jen jak South Sudan ni ko bi nyen en ko to kam wer me jaram dana ko yar long ka jen te power me der kim yadi der jogono normal but ken ti ken chak lungi total no de ka doctor Machar de kana law ko der mal der jalat ko ngai kana gwano de Machar mi che ben lo che la kwer kete position miteten che de lat ke ji Uganda chaka de nok so jerminen yana tama chiji Uganda chikana gorno deka jien rewika South Sudan ko gor kana bika remain kukan South Sudan kukan control economically, politically and militarily so the reality kalenga kaladu go machal kame Ugandan ke wudi chal kame Museveni marwaji Uganda so to kon ka tin kon do ko dan ko tikeje kon reality ne no amun dwal Kiir Museveni mum dwal kan ge ke Dr. Machar adobe diam dwal kan ke jama kanai kon no kan tiken ka power yana mo power mede kan di dial kon gor kan de kan kalat lor instead dong de kan Machar de kan jago tiri tijen so kaniti mo de goro de mal de tiri derben ngum dwal ke Riek Machar manyam Riek Machar lenga joden wore gente ka jom lenka Riek Machar gore reform gore jeno hukumu de jager de na let ke democracy bacca de gor kan gadang ro gor kan dictatorship ka caji no Riek Machar na mona Riek Machar man yer ke je jene popular ngai ke jene ideal ngai ke je rewika South Sudan rule ke ta da la roje je lenye Kiir 100% ko dar mal dar je no wana Kiir me yadit lain ke je ko 20 years che rule tel mu gwa mi chalat miche election ke ben la ko extended banang niam soram ci kana mo che fit ka kwer so South Sudan ni yal ko rew ko South Sudan ci cuy kana ke Kiir kana wit ji Uganda ke kwer Uganda michal ke Museveni me ko kana ko nakana so do bedien de malder ben ga jemo mingo da kim yadit power ko jela consolidate ke no ko ji Uganda no bi tere ko South Sudan ku ko le nyin kan wari gwam ne kan werten ko ne ko na kan wari chwaja fogade na mo ne na kan wari amadien gwasme Dr. Machar rami mu mutika resistant janki la rejek la ja pele la le shekeni tok amin jega dana chila so beji let go tel mer go no ne dial binati ka reform binari nger bishamu go bayda le jan kula teka mishal kame transitional government akwala gore mu kirle logantama village ko ngai jana mishi election cheben chebe pa chebe wonyam so wona je men nyaare no dare je puchko dare benyal no men wur shal kame bulmel chang men tama bulmel kana adu teka reeri kam right corner right now ko niga jang ko rodian tamlat kano mu koinka adu gorga jeno be bulmel be je tagrar so do to to baname shi jenen la very important things or Riek Machar be beraradi kano election badi laradi that's it but mi Riek Machar chai be kamrar but be remain under outsiders me yen medan mo ro lat ci kor ci ro da bit kapchong okay ko Riek Machar chai yen ka kwidura chai yen ka kwidura mama midi yana ngach Riek Machar yan ke ko jana Nuer ke ku kor chitwo kan Nasser ke je chona ne dar ne tin kontin la de ne SSPD abdara kan lok de kan ngre ki juba kene ken yam kim yadi jan lu ko doron lugo odore da ne shalar cha jojina ne gudi ti woke anyok ki Riek Machar che jogono ne Kiir please mute miladi chude di chuje moved chuje nangwadami Dina chana respect 2018 peace agreement power sharing ko mute milade den batikin itin but tikim yadi chelok cheto ko me woja kwar ko weseni ko choria ne diala kontila jikuma spela yo choko wekendial so na mo ngolo mo nyel jeno chikim yadi che goro de ka let kel ken Riek Machar chire ne chala already chala en chana goro bne let ko Riek Machar so ko kujamo gore je en go Riek Machar bere men gwadan tetin chala family chala shine bilet kel araina ojenda na le road murai konene ko she gorno de da Riek Machar de la kwerki der roit ajen mi yene ja so murat lat kon mo gwaseme atadan en chi korche togo je kam kume SPLA yo kene kume SSPD ka do badana luke Riek Machar ka je an kure dana chi to twaje fogere no togo kam Nuer wayami kene Kiir forces ki de ni Kiir yo fane Kiir chu de Uganda chu kul no ngre wich an kore dan che ne wan che ka juch tilan Nuer ko chicken yadi che Uganda che kan vaire wika so Sudan ka chicken civilian chicken ga ben bom ke gunship ke ga metudit so ne makaro da micho da lot do be dan an ko Riek Machar ko men ga jaga tijen murai kone chi Riek Machar a problem dum de Kiir ma yadit a problem de ko logo mal kene wuri cha ga Museveni so anyway Riek Machar bikene jaga bare men kazi katijin chabe jang so Sudan ko be mal be jenong be jang so Sudan ko Riek be wokke mere broda telmo dien biteten so ne me dara kel mo goro de yenaling kane de kon lan Nueri nasi jendana de yenaling gwase mene ngade jen wona ne Riek Machar chaje yen ka dwel mishalat mete ramlar Riek Machar cha yen ka dwer che chuong ka jena mo te Riek Machar mi cha yen ka dwer Riek Machar lokane je Kiir lokiri jen wo ba mal be jenung ajenda antetin ko dwal ken ka jowde dwal ken ka mandana belat ki mandana belar so kujamo dwal ken ka je jemnen yen tam te Sudan te rika men bana kula ngajene ala isto ne kona tuo kuko kon ngeje longono ngamte karek kim yadi to kon na ke 2013 ngai kona mo ja kon nyok ka minaga kon teme ke 2025 ngam banalat gor kon mat quotidiality a systematic way of targeting Nuer to clean Nuer ko de kan wade kan yana kan dial de ka kon wiped out ajan ta da nan tikirte tantar mu den mulada so mi jin wam gi jen Kiir ba mal be non Kiir mi yadi tel mal be non Kiir ci ga mat kene Museveni che ngai kona so madi yana moni o ci kana gono te ka kon ne re kon chal Nuer te be te Kiir te bugo so jenta da na te tin tam so try to forget and Kiir kana Museveni ci kana te go tam ka jenta am dan mena na kana kon ke ci kana no kon so jo me dara gwana wodi yana ling murai kona tam Riek Machar che peti chop ke beach de che ga chop ka chubuga kwinga chubuga kwikir ma yadit kana Museveni akane de content lat ka ti churian lot ka ba gula kap chongode kap de chong o mi chinarin mat ka sha kor cha jeter and then bitu diala content chikim yadi de goro dara kalat bakalat den do budande tin so ne chiang ramma mi chi choice no bananak den la lo kani jaka kor ajen do budan en lati diala kana go koje ba mo ko ran palpin bas chete ga go beladen Kiir tan mu gam betuok so jo me jenda na gore no de nyoga yekel mi jira ma jidit gwaseme kan online TV channel nyoga ne ko ken en ban nyoje ga la rodien bye bye